What's up, nerds? I know this isn't the typical introduction that you're used to. I am at home. I am trying to stay safe. I would like to return to work soon. I hope that you are staying safe as well. It's a crazy time for everybody right now. Stay positive. We'll be okay. So today's video is going to be the second part of the Strandberg that I was working on in the previous video. If you weren't paying attention, I don't know what to tell you. Go back and watch it. So today basically I will be putting tape on the guitar, taping it up to put the color on. I'll be putting the color on the back, and then we'll be doing the burst as well. So should be kind of a short-ish video. Short vidya for you. Hopefully this brings you some entertainment, some joy, some much needed guitar porn stuff. Even though I think the internet's kind of going crazy with guitar porn stuff right now, everybody trying to stay busy. So here's one more thing for you. All right, so I've spared you all the sanding, the level sanding. I don't think you need to see that again. Very time consuming. Takes up a lot of space on my phone. So now I'm just gonna clean it, tape it up, get it ready for color. It's my cleaner. All right, so we decided to go a different direction with this. We were gonna do a natural binding because we were going to paint the, ooh, that's gonna be a fun thing. So in this video, I'll show you painting pickups. We're gonna do some painted pickups for this thing. We were going to go with white pickups, but we decided to go with a blue. So this thing is gonna have a real case of the blues. We're gonna do blue binding, blue burst, blue back, and blue pickups. So it should be pretty cool. So anyway, just cleaning it, tape it up. So this is gonna be a little bit more difficult. So last one we had, kind of a reference line of the red. So this one, the two woods kind of blend together in some spots. Makes it a little bit harder to see that line, but we'll get it there. Save those for later. Don't want to be wasteful. So as I'm doing this, I give myself some slack. I don't like to have tension on the tape as I'm laying it down. I like there to be some slack in the tape. The reason is because if I stretch the tape out and I try to lay it down as the tape is stretched, sometimes that can cause the tape to kind of pull away from the body and not stick so well. So I really do want to give myself, I'll pull out what I need for the section I'm going to do, and then I'll just kind of give it some slack and lay it down. So we're gonna get snazzy with it. And we're gonna tape off to right inside here. So we'll have a bit of blue binding on the inside. Where do I want to start? I think I'll start down here. Start to the inside. So we have that. Now I'll just come around and trim the stuff. Now I can mount it on the stick. All right, so getting ready to lay down the color. As before, I'm gonna shoot the back first. Then I'm gonna come around, I'm gonna wipe the top from any kind of overspray that might have got on there. Gotta give it a real good wiping, you know. And then I'll do my burst. Probably I'll let it dry overnight. And then I'll pull the tape and then take care of doing the blue binding. So, yeah, I think that's what we'll do. All right. Inside of the cavity here too, just real quick before I wipe everything. Alright, now I can wipe off my overspray. Spray. Real quick, want to take off some fuzz. All right, nerds, that's it for today. Let's take a moment to kind of reflect upon what it is we saw, what we did. If you're enjoying the videos, please pass them along to your other nerd friends while you guys are sitting around nerding out, eating nerds, doing nerd stuff, touching each other's nerdles. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like. I don't know, maybe I'll put it over here, maybe I'll put it over here, maybe I'll put it somewhere over there, who knows. Don't forget to watch some of the other videos that I've done. Again, don't know where I'm gonna put them. They'll pop up, we'll figure it out. Anyways, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time, next video. I don't know what we're gonna be doing, we'll figure it out.